Hi guys. This video will show you how to sleep computer with phone. Step 1. Download and install the software on PC. Open your browser, and go to manect.com. Go to the download section. And then click on the download link button. Download the app for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, go to the folder that contains the installer file and double-click on the file to run the install process. And then follow the instructions on your screen. After completion installation, click on Finish button and then launch the app. Step 2. Install the app on your smart device. Open Google Play Store. Search for PC Remote and install the app on your Android phone. Step 3. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. Once it's done, open PC Remote app on your Android phone. Tap on Connect button. It'll display you a list of remotes you can select. Choose your PC. Now you are ready to use. Tap on power icon. Tap on sleep. And then tap on OK. Now your computer will sleep. Thanks for watching this video.